Hello children, in the last EVS class we understood the difference between raw and cooked food. In today's class let us learn which are the food we eat in raw form, cooked form and which are the food we eat in both raw and cooked form. Children, already we know that cooking makes food soft, tasty and easy to digest. Sometimes the smell and color of the food changes on cooking. Children, here you can see yummy French fries. Children all love to eat this French fries, right? Because these French fries are fried in oil. These are made from raw potato only. Instead of this, can we eat raw potatoes? No, raw potatoes are not as tasty as French fries. Raw potatoes are fried in oil to make French fries, which is very tasty to eat. That's why we cook some food before we eat. Children, we eat some foods raw. Fruits like apples, oranges, berries, watermelon, pineapple can be eaten raw. Children, some of the foods we eat only after cooking. Foods like pulses, cereals, vegetable and chicken can be eaten as cooked. And also we eat some foods in both raw and cooked form. Some vegetables like carrot, cabbage and tomatoes can be eaten raw as well as cooked. Now let us learn about healthy and unhealthy food. We eat different kinds of food. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk, eggs and meat are healthy food. They give lot of energy and make us to stay fit and strong. These are unhealthy food, children. We should avoid or eat less unhealthy food such as fried food, sweetened beverages, ice creams, chocolates and junk food. They can cause disease. Now let us see which are the eating habits we should follow to stay healthy. We should wash our hands before and after eating. We should wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. We should not eat food that was kept uncovered for a long time. It makes us to fall sick. Eat less fried and junk food. We should drink water regularly. Do you know, children, which food we get from both plants and animals? We get oil from both plants and animals. Mustard oil from plants, cod liver oil from fish. Children, now let us discuss the workbook questions 6.3 raw and cooked food. So, tick the food we can eat raw. The first one is wheat. Children, can we eat raw wheat? No, because it is hard and it is difficult to digest. So, we can't eat raw wheat. So, cross it. Then, can we eat raw orange? Yes, we can eat it in raw form. Then, come to brinjal. Can we eat raw brinjal, children? No, we can't eat this in the raw form. Then, the next one is cucumber. Can we eat raw cucumber? Yes, it is very soft. We can eat this in the raw form. So, the oranges and cucumber we can eat in the raw form. Second one, fill in the blanks. Okay, here you need to write the difference between raw peas and cooked peas. Already we learnt the difference between cooked food and also raw food. Here, raw peas, whether raw peas are soft or hard. Yes, the raw peas are hard while the cooked peas are soft. So here only the answers are given. You need to choose the correct answer. So raw peas are hard. Cooked peas are soft. Then raw peas, whether raw peas are easy to digest or difficult to digest. Raw peas are difficult to digest. Here you need to write difficult to digest, and cooked peas are easy to digest. Here you have to write easy to digest. Look at the picture of the cupcakes and fill in the blanks. Here the cupcakes are cooked in dash. Whether these cupcakes are cooked in an oven or hot oil. Here the cupcakes are cooked in an oven. So the answer for this is an oven. So this is the correct answer. You have to write it here. The next one is healthy food. Write H for healthy food and U for unhealthy food. So here we all know that this is candy. It is a unhealthy food. So you have to write U for this candy. And the next one is strawberry. We all know that strawberry is a fruit. It is a very good for our health. It is very good for our health. So it is healthy food. You have to write H. So this is unhealthy food and this is healthy food. And milk, it is a very good healthy food, children. So you have to write H. We all know that milk is very good for our health. So it is very healthy food. And these are French fries. These are unhealthy food. Why these are unhealthy food? Because these are fried food. So these are unhealthy. You have to write U for this. Fill in the blanks. We should eat fruit every day because here two options are given. You need to choose the correct option. Why we should eat fruit every day? Because it keeps us healthy. Fruits are healthy food. So it keeps us healthy. That answer you have to write it here. Okay. We should not eat food kept it in the open because it can lose its smell and taste, or it can have germs and can make us sick. Okay. So we should not eat food kept it and open because it can have germs and can make us sick. So this is the correct answer for this question. What will you do when you go out for dinner? Take the correct answer. Whether you'll put a lot of food on your plate and throw the food which you don't like, or will you put less food on your plate and fill it again if you need it? Okay. You'll put less food on your plate and fill it again if you need it, right? So this is the correct option. Children, I hope you understood how to complete the workbook questions. Children, now let us learn about the topic water and uses of water. First, let us look into the keywords. The words are W-A-T-E-R, water, D-R-I-N-K, drink, W-A-S-H, wash, O-U-R-R, hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands, wash our hands. C-O-O-K, cook. L-I-V-E, live. N-E-E-D, need, W-A-T-E-R, water. S-A-V-E, save. Now let us learn about we need water. Children, why we need water? Yes, we need water for many things. We need water to drink. We need water to wash our face. We need water to wash our hands. We need water to brush our teeth. We need water to have a bath. We also need water to cook our food. We also need water to wash our cars and wash our clothes. Water is also used to clean the floor and wash our vessels. We also use water for many sports activities like boating, and as we learnt already, we use water as mode of transport. Now let us learn about how animals need water. Animals also need water to live. Water is very important for their survival. They drink water and also use it to clean themselves. See in this picture, children, the elephant is spraying water on itself. Why? Some animals like elephants spray water on themselves to keep their bodies clean and cool. See here, children, some animals like frogs lay eggs in water. Children, there are many animals which live in water. There are many animals like dolphins and goldfish that live in water. If we take them out of water, they will die, children. See, this is goldfish which live in water. Like us, even plants also need water. Why plants need water? Let us learn now. See this healthy plant, children? If we won't water this plant for few days, what will happen for this plant? If we won't water for this for few days, it will dry up like this. So some more days if we won't water means one day it will die also like this. So children, by this what we can observe? By this we can understand that plants also need water to grow and live, children. So plants use water to make their food. So what we should do? Yes, we need to water the plants regularly to keep them healthy. Now let us learn about the topic save water. So why we need to save the water? Let us see. Children, water is very valuable. What is this valuable? Valuable means it is very important. That's why we need to save the water. Now let us see in which are the ways we can save water. Children, we can follow some of the steps to save water. Now let us see one by one. So, repair the pipes and taps that are leaking. So, we should repair the leaking taps and pipes, children. The next thing is close the tap while brushing your teeth. So, while brushing the teeth, you should close the tap, don't run it. Use bucket and mug to take a bath instead of shower. See, instead of shower, you can use bucket and mug to save the water. And also, do not throw water for fun, children. So, don't waste the water by throwing the water for fun. And also, we should not throw any dirty things into the water. So, like this, by following these steps, we can save water. So, I hope children, you also follow these ways to save the water, which is very valuable thing. So, save water and save our planet Earth. Thank you.